How to log out of ringapp. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open ringapp on your device. Now, if you have already logged into the ringapp and you want to log out for some reason, then in this video I will guide you step by step on how you can sign out. Now, you might want to log out of the ringapp in order to log into your another account, or just because you don't want to use the Ring application anymore. If that is the case, then I will show you how. First of all, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now here you have different options such as dashboard, set up a device, account settings, control center, display, and help. You want to tap on the account settings option. Here you can find all the information about your account. All you have to do is scroll all the way down, and here you will find the sign out option. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now it's going to ask you if you really want to sign out. Tap on the sign out option. Once you do that, it will take some time, and as you can see, you have been logged out of your Ring application. If you want to sign in using another account, you can tap on the sign in option, then enter all the credentials in order to log into your account. Or if you are new, you can tap on the create account option, then enter all the information in order to create your new account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.